In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Poweramp Music Player app. If you're experiencing any challenge with your Poweramp Music Player app, maybe the app is not opening, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods we can use to fix any issues related to Poweramp app. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and then choose this second option, app info. Now under the app info, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored and used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When we talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this problem, you need to go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. Now, as you can see, we have cache data and some of user data has been cleared. So once you have done this, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app and it should be working just fine. The good thing, you will not lose any information or your music file by carrying out this process. In most cases, this should work 100%, but should you still find any challenge, maybe it's because of the space, you don't have much space, so go ahead and tap on manage space here. This will direct you to either delete cache, which you have already done, do a full rescan or full preset rescan. However, once that has been done, now you should be able to use your app without any issue. However, should that not fix your problem, then head to the third method, and that is look for any update for your app through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I've gone to Google Play Store here. Look for any update if it is available and then update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Poweramp Music Player app that is not supported. By updating it, you'll also be able to get the new version of this app. In most cases, this should fix your app. However, if you are still experiencing issues such as the app constantly stopping or crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app from your phone and then install it afresh. And this will fix any issues related to bugs. So by using any of these methods, you should be able now to use your app without any issue. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Poweramp Music Player app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.